Manifest the glow, let the spirit take flight. Natural hair shining in the morning light. Wigs for the mood, skincare for the peace. Watch the confidence grow, watch the beauty increase. Beyond the surface, deep within the heart, this is where it all starts. Right here at Pandy's Beauty and Beyond. Skin like honey, hair like a queen. The most positive space that you've ever seen. Affirm your worth, let your light go on. Join our family, leave the stress behind. Affirmations daily, beauty in every way. Welcome to this brand new season, a brand new day at Pandy's Beauty and Beyond.
Hey y'all, what's good? Pandi here. Welcome. Y'all, your credit score is lying to you. In 2026, the rules just changed, and most people are sitting here with absolutely no idea. What's good, Pandy's peeps? Welcome back to the Wealthy and Wise series, the series where we talk real money, real moves, and building the soft life you deserve. I'm your girl, Pandi, and today, we are going deep, y'all. Because today I need to talk to you about something that is literally affecting your credit score right now. And most of us are out here just going about our lives thinking everything is fine. Baby, everything is not fine, but it absolutely can be. And that is exactly what we're going to fix today. So get comfortable, grab your tea, and let's get into it. So let's set the stage real quick. For years, y'all, the credit scoring system in this country worked a certain way. FICO, the Fair Isaac Corporation, has been the main scoring model that lenders used to decide whether you qualify for a mortgage, a car loan, a business line of credit, all of it. But in 2026, two major things shifted. And I mean shifted, y'all. This isn't minor tweaks. There is a fundamental change in how your creditworthiness is being measured going forward. Change number 1, FICO 10T. Change number 2, medical debt reporting. Now, before your eyes glaze over, I hear you. I know. Stay with me, because I'm about to break this down in a way that actually makes sense, and more importantly, I'm going to tell you exactly what to do about it. That is what we do on Wealthy and Wise, chat fam. No theories, just moves. And here's what nobody is talking about. Some of y'all might actually be in a better position after these changes than you were before. Stay right here, because I'll tell you exactly who benefits and who needs to pay close attention. Okay, FICO 10T. The T stands for trended data. What that means is, instead of you just looking at a snapshot of your credit, right now lenders are using FICO 10T, which can see a 24-month trend on your financial behavior. That's 2 full years, y'all. Think about what that actually means. If you've been slowly paying down your credit card debt, even if your balance is still a little high, FICO 10T can see that trend going in the right direction, and that could actually help your score. But here's the flip side. If you've been going back and forth, paying it down and then maxing it back out, that cycle shows up too. This model rewards consistency. It rewards those of you who are doing the slow, steady work, even when it does not feel like it's paying off yet. So what does this mean for you right now? Number 1, if you have a revolving credit card balance, your goal is to show a downward trend. Even small, consistent payments matter more under this model than one big payment every few months. Number 2, do not close old accounts just to clean up your credit. FICO 10T looks at the history. The longer the better. And number 3, authorized user accounts still count. If you have someone you trust with solid credit, being added as an authorized user can positively impact your trended score over time. Write those down, chat fam. Those are your first three moves. Now, here's where it gets really good. And honestly, this next part is where a lot of us in the chat fam are about to do a happy dance. Medical debt changes. Y'all, this one is big. Starting in 2025 and carrying forward into 2026, the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, made a massive change. Medical debt under $500 is no longer reported on your credit file. It's gone, done. It does not count. And medical debt that has already been paid, also removed. Now, for many of us, especially those of us who have any kind of health situation, emergency, or unexpected medical procedure, this is genuinely life-changing because medical debt has been silently dragging down credit scores for years in communities like ours. Years, y'all. So here's what you have to do right now. Step 1, pull your free credit report at annualcreditreport.com. You get one free report per bureau per year. Pull all three, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Step 2, look specifically for any medical debt collections. If you see anything under $500, dispute it immediately. It should not be there under the new guidelines. Step 3, if you see paid medical debt still showing on your report, dispute that too. Contact the Bureau in writing. Reference the updated policy and demand removal. This is free credit score points, y'all. Free points. Just sitting there waiting for you to claim them. You already have paid for this debt with your score. And now the rules say you don't have to carry that weight anymore. So go get your points. All right, chat fam, let's bring it all the way home. Here are your 3 wealthy and wise action steps for this week. Step 1, pull all 3 of your credit reports at annualcreditreport.com. Write down every negative item you see. This is free 99, and it is official, and yes, it's actually free. Step 2, identify any medical debt under $500 or any paid medical collections. Start your dispute letters this week. I have a template in the Soft Life Credit Checklist that you can grab for free in the description. Step 3, if you have a revolving credit card, set up a recurring payment and add just $10 extra per month. Start showing FICO 10T that downward trend. Consistency is currency, baby. These are not complicated. These are moves you can make this week from your couch in your bonnet with your favorite press-ons. That's the Soft Life Blueprint. Building wealth without losing your peace. And now, I want to hear from you, chat fam. Drop a comment below. Have you pulled your credit report recently? Did you know about the medical debt changes? Let's talk about it, because I know somebody watching this right now just had a light bulb moment, and baby, speak it into existence. If this episode gave you something, give it a like, a share. Share it with your cousin, sister, homegirl who has been stressed out about their credit, because knowledge shared is wealth multiplied. And if you're ready to go even deeper, a personalized look at your credit profile, and a real roadmap to financial freedom, check my econ link in the description. That is what we're actually using in this community, not just talking about it, using it. New Wealthy and Wise series drop every week, y'all. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss a single episode. Until next time, chat fam, take care of yourselves, take care of your coins, and remember, the soft life is not just a vibe, it's a strategy. I'm Pandi, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Thanks for watching.
Manifest the glow, let the spirit take flight. Natural hair shining in the morning light. Wigs for the mood, skincare for the peace. Watch the confidence grow, watch the beauty increase. Beyond the surface, deep within the heart, this is where it all starts. Right here at Pandi's Beauty and Beyond.